Do you believe that habits can change your life? I believe yes. मेरा मानना है कि when we implement or when we adopt good habits or knowledgeable habits, they can really change your life. Today, I'm going to talk about three different habits or three very simple habits that can change your life. They're changing my life, they're making me wealthy. And if you can adopt any of these or all of these habits, these are proven to make you wealthy and rich. Habit number one, investing a minimum fixed percentage of income every month. अपनी इनकम का एक छोटा सा पोर्शन इफ यू कैन इन्वेस्ट समवेयर जहां से आपको अच्छे रिटर्न्स मिलें, दैट्स ऑल दिस फर्स्ट हैबिट आस्क फॉर. दिस इज अ प्रूवन हैबिट. देयर इज अ बुक बाय एलिजाबेथ वॉरेन नेम्ड एज ऑल योर वर्थ, द अल्टीमेट लाइफ टाइम मनी प्लान. द बुक एक्सप्लेन्स a 50-30-20 budget rule. ये simple budget rule कहता है that 50% of your total income goes to your needs, 30% of your income goes to your wants, 20% of your income go to your savings. That means अगर आप 20,000 रुपये महीना कमाते हैं, then 10,000 goes to your household needs, जो भी आपको घर का राशन पानी खाना उन सब में. 30% to your wants. इसके अलावा if you want to have some little bit of entertainment, जो भी you want to earn and spend a little extra, it should go to that. 20%, at the very least, 20% should go to your savings or investment. If you put it in savings, that means your money is not being utilized. Your money is losing its worth. So you need to ensure that savings should give you enough return so your money grows more than inflation. ये इन्फ्लेशन का फंडा मैं कभी बाद में बताऊंगा आपको, बट दैट्स द थिंग it says. That's a very simple rule which I have implemented in my life, and it is a very effective rule. So that was the first habit. Habit number two is tracking your income and expenses. Tell me this. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं कि आपका पैसा कहाँ है, how do you think you'll control it? Do you think you will manage it if you don't know where your money is going? Most people lose money not because they earn less, वो कम कमाते हैं इसलिए वो पैसा कम नहीं बना पाते हैं, but because they don't know where their money is going. They are not tracking it. They are not knowing कि पैसा आ रहा है तो जा कहाँ रहा है, कैसे जा रहा है, and how to optimize it. I personally try to track it using an expense tracker. You can use any expense tracker that is available online. There are a couple of expense trackers which I have tried to search, and आप इनके अलावा भी कोई भी expense tracker यूज कर सकते हैं. The idea is to track आपका पैसा जा कहाँ रहा है, खर्च कैसे हो रहा है. Then only you will be able to optimize it. That was simple habit number two. Let's go to habit number three. Gaining some financial wisdom over time. That means थोड़ी बहुत financial knowledge is necessary. And I'm not saying कि एक ही दिन में वो सीखी जा सकती है या एक ही दिन में आप जाके सीखिए. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके over time develop it. That is one of the most important thing that wealthy people has, and the one who are not so wealthy, they don't. They don't have so much or even a moderate amount of financial knowledge. Skill developing is good. That is necessary to earn your living, to make sure you eat and stay wealthy or healthy. But if you want to step up, financial knowledge is a must. आप स्किल डेवलप करके एक कैश फ्लो इनकम तो बना सकते हैं, लेकिन उस इनकम का बेस्ट यूज कैसे करना है, दैट फाइनेंशियल विजडम ओनली टेल्स यू. द मोर यू लर्न, the more you will make out of it. This is a very simple habit which you can develop by multiple sources. आज की डेट में इंटरनेट पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. You can get your ebooks, you can go through different podcasts, YouTube videos, market news, develop it any which way, right? It will help you make informed investment decisions. It will keep you updated on the market trends, and slowly will make your mindset a money mindset and an opportunistic mindset. Think about it. Mr. Warren Buffett still reads almost 500 pages a day. We can't even read one or half page. Think about it. These are some books that I've tried to find out for you guys. There are endless books over the internet which you can find for free. These are just some of them which I have found by searching. You can go through any of these books, or you can go through any book that you like that has or that is imparting some knowledge and wisdom. These were the 3 habits which are making me wealthy. Now it's your time to take action. Make yourself wealthy. Choose any one of them, or choose all 3 of them, or choose anything that will make you improve every day. Thank you guys. Bye bye.